Good maid son cúna yin and shaft in show. So evaluate such the work experience.
Tammy,
Yeah, it's my shedding. As cred ard-scoill Cowag show.
Tammy Goldus queig.
Jesus, cren vlain towel.
Unts vlain jai.
And vlain jai fair by. So side that jannoo what kigish or shaft and jannoo work.
Kigish jannoo.
Yeah. As so tove a culture vannin in shaft and show cúna yem as lesh. Chloe so good maid son shedding. Cray, visit jannoo shaft and show chit.
Bim Goldus in a heat blain unts put in hinja.
Yeah, mildly fair by. So Renny Goldus a ard-scoill nak Ren.
Ren me.
Yeah. It's kidded by Kunta Jane ard-scoill.
Smiley am a ard-scoill. Ram.
Yeah.
Skull fever.
Yeah, fever. As well, those Kurgan Ed fish of ard-scoill.
Husta Kurgan.
Yeah, it's my shed. As to Kusta studeren vushn ard-scoill like queig Williams.
To tree studeren Elia.
Yeah, it's my shed. As well, who first ram cure.
Tammy jannoo cure son na GCSE.
Oh my dear, fever. It's kidded out Chloe.
Well, Tammy Chloe and Bim Chloe and accordion son Shen.
Yeah. Chin and Rud Shelley at jannoo and accordion son and Creech me fever. Yeah, well, fever is kidded velu a goal solar Jane Shachten sure, aren't you? Yeah. Good am Yeah, well, good am I son chitters. Cravis who jannoo eka Jerry Shachten Rudderby or
Tammy Gol Campbell lesh Custa Kurgan.
Yeah, my dear.
She's son Glenlock.
All right, my dear. Shen son Le Ruggery or Rudniak or yeah. Well, Strashlium as te jiken de be an empshire brow at the Jerry Shachten and te mildly you're on shore nish. Ac bacon file was ram like Ginny Steen at well, good am I son chit and Shachten show one year is come Susan Gaelgagh is how lorty fair by is so folks lort begging Gaelgagh Mrs. Reaching it. Yeah, well Gin Shed and son Sugar says good am I.
Good am I.
Yeah, it's all right.